Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to remove text from video without blur in CapCut. First, open the CapCut editor and capture a screenshot of the video with the text you want to remove. Then, download and install Snapseed from Google Play Store. Open Snapseed and select the screenshot. Choose the Remove option and use the brush tool to erase the text. Then, save the edited screenshot. Go back to the CapCut editor and tap on Overlay. Add the edited screenshot to the video timeline and adjust its position. Swipe right to access the mask option at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the circle mask and place it over the text area. Customize the mask until the text is covered completely. Once satisfied with the result, tap on the check icon to apply the changes. Preview the video to ensure the text has been removed successfully. Then, save the edited video. By following these steps, you can remove text from a video without blurring it using CapCut and Snapseed. And that's all. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!